Can you do this one?
Okay, I can do it for you. Katisa.
Okay.
Shin, ka, ra. No,
Very good. Very good, mashallah. Hashim is so smart and intelligent.
but I don't know it.
Okay, see, can you tell me the first letter of them? Can you look on the page and tell me the first letter? Hashim, the good boy.
What?
Tell me the first letter.
I don't know the second one.
I know you don't know the second one, but you tell me the first letter.
Za,
Wow, good job. And now try to say the second letter.
wham, wham.
Very good. You did this, right?
So it's two whams after
Both
za.
of them are lamb, right?
What?
Both of them are lamb, okay?
I don't know. Both of them are wham.
But you just said it. You're
I
smart, but you
still
don't know.
don't.
Okay, you're going to read the same word again.
Za, wham, wham.
Good job. Next.
Shin, ka, ra.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. You did the whole lesson by yourself, right?
Yeah, really by myself.
Yes, and
Without
you did no
assist.
mistakes, right?
Right.
Okay,
And it is so
Hashim,
good. I listened.
you didn't do this letter. Can you do this one?
Okay, I can do it for you. Katisa.
Okay.
Shin, ka, ra. No,
Very
I
good, very good, mashallah. Hashim is so smart and intelligent.
so
Hashim,
I
we're going
so
to read
I can
next
tell
now,
him
okay?
I got now I'm almost to the end.
Yes, you're almost to the end.
Now I have a lot of gifts.
Yes, I will give you lots of gifts, but you have to sit properly, focus, and try to do no mistakes. And try to repeat after me properly, okay?
Okay.
I think you know this word. Can you do this by yourself? It's